Hey there, YouTube. Today we're talking about the Elenco M-1250 Analog Multimeter. It's analog because it uses a needle instead of digital numerical readouts. If you look here, right now it's in the off position. And to the right we index over to AC volts. And then this section here will be the resistance readings and measurements, the buzzer for continuity, the battery checker, and DC milliamps measurements here. And up here we have DC volts, all this area in here. Up here is the DC volts null. Notice this is plus or minus 5 volts. This is plus or minus 25 volts for readings of positive or negative voltages.